Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Honeydue application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a passcode to secure your app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Honeydue application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your login code or your password. Once you have logged in, you will end up within the activity page. Now, if you wish to set up a PIN code in order to secure your application, then tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. You can then tap on Settings, and now this will show you the settings page. Just scroll down and tap on Additional Security, and you will now see various different security measures that you can take. Just tap on the Use Passcode button to turn it on, and now you will be asked to enter your desired passcode. Just type in the passcode that you wish to set, and then enter it once again for confirmation. Once you have entered your passcode twice, it will now successfully be set. And after this, every time you leave the Honeydue application, you will be asked to enter this passcode in order to access your account once again in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a passcode to secure your Honeydue application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.